This screencast will demonstrate the workflow for linking a Bob to Moodle. After logging into Moodle, navigate to the course where you want to link a Bob, and toggle on the Edit mode. Expand the week you would like to add a Bob and click on Add an activity or resource. Then select the external tool on the pop-up window. On the next page, please do not enter the activity name. It will automatically populate from PlayPosit. Select PlayPosit on the Pre-configure tool, and then click on the Select Content. Click on Set Link on the pop-up window to link to PlayPosit. Locate the Bob you would like to add, and click on the Moodle icon in front of its name. Select the learner experience to be self-paced or live broadcast, then click on Link. You can also link a playlist to Moodle. By linking a Bob, open External Tool, then select PlayPosit, and click on Select Content. Click on Set Link to link to PlayPosit, and use the sidebar menu to navigate to the playlist page. Find the playlist you want to use and click on the Moodle icon in front of it, and select Link. After linking a Bob or playlist, instructors can further edit some optional settings like privacy, grade, and expected completion date. Once all set, click on Save and Display to publish the activity. To monitor the Bob in Moodle, locate and click on the desired assignment. Then select Monitor on the gray screen. Then it will open the Monitor page in a new tab. Please visit our knowledge base to learn more about PlayPosit's Monitor page. Also, if it is a live broadcast activity, please click on the Broadcast button on the gray screen to start broadcasting.